Fancy fans, welcome back to Flights of Fancy. I'm Sarah, and today we're doing our intro from idyllic Baker City, Oregon. This is our bed and breakfast that we've been staying at, and it is just divine. An old house that they've fitted out to have rooms, and they actually serve you breakfast in the morning and everything. And we're here this weekend for my great Aunt Jeanette's 100th birthday party. She's doing very well. She's got so much family. We were all stuffed into the Catholic church basement, having cake and everything, and it was so much fun to see all the relatives that I haven't seen in so long since our last family reunion. Today we'll be doing a mystery project again. I have no idea what I'll be filming. It could be a speed drawing, it could be a bar of soap, it could be watercolors, but in any case, do enjoy. Hi Fancy fans! Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. It's sort of a Nordstrom's Rack haul / unboxing. These earrings. So I think this will be a great inspiration. In any case, let's get started on the fun makeups. So here is Naked Skin by Urban Decay, and it sounded really nice. It claims to be very lightweight, and I got it in shade 5, which now I'm looking at it in better light. I think it's a tad dark, but we'll see. Nordstrom's Rack isn't the kind of makeup place that you can, there's not really samples to try out. So here it is, it's a beautiful little cylinder. Oh, and it's printed beautifully on the inside. All of their packaging seems to have beautiful inside prints, which is a great added touch. It's a pretty big cylinder. Oh, it's the pump kind. Okay, let's see here. Let's pump up just a teensy bit, see what we think. Okay. Alright, well, once I spread it out, I think it's not bad at all. So I think that'll be a fine match. And here's the Becca, Chloe, and Malika, which I already got it smudged. Beautiful shiny packaging. And I was looking for a highlighter, but pretty sure it's a highlighter for my cheekbones. Kind of a hefty little box here. Ooh, very reflective. Ah, okay. Beautiful. Looks kind of like a blush, but I'm sure you could use it for whatever. See how it goes right over the concealer. Okay, yeah, I see it's really reflective. Alright, I'm liking it, Let me try a different color here. Okay, it's a little more subtle in color, but just as shiny. I love the shimmer. And here's Urban Decay's Space Powder, which is just a shiny powder you can put wherever you like. And the packaging appears to be hollow, but I'm not an expert. Ooh, I love the inside printing on this one too. So cool. Oh, it's in cardboard-ish box form. Interesting. Little brush on that side. Ooh, looks so fun. Where should I put it? Ah, ooh, it's so sparkly. This would highlight just your eyes, your face, your neck, perhaps the large tracts of land, as it were. Anything you want to be sparkly. Ooh, shoulders, depending on what you've got showing. Beautiful, beautiful. And the last is this lipstick, also Urban Decay. Vice. Exciting. In the color Hawkeye. Metallicized. Oh, I like metallic colors. I'm not usually a bright lipstick wearer, but when I do, I like them to be a crazy color, like green. Beautiful. Let me see here. Oh, yep, I think that would do nicely. Beautiful. And I have a matching eyeliner for this as well. The inside printing is these lips. Oh, Urban Decay. Okay, well now that we've got those all checked out, let's try them on! First, I dotted on some concealer by Gabriel Color that I happened to have lying around. And then I used the makeup sponge to put on Urban Decay's Naked Skin Liquid Makeup. And I really like how that applies. It really is almost like wearing nothing, maybe like sunscreen. And then I started on my eyeshadow, and I'm afraid I could have done a much better job. I hadn't practiced eyeshadow in a while, so I messed up a little bit. This is eyeshadow by Smashbox. I also got at Nordstrom Rack a while back. Yikes! Well, I'll just smooth that out and hopefully nobody will notice. Oops. Just blend, 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 blend. And it's gone. And then, this is one of my favorites. It's Maybelline's Master Precise Ink eyeliner. And I love doing the little cat eyes. It's also in sort of a green color. And then I used some random blush I happened to have laying around when I should have been using the Becca palette, because there's a blush in there, as it turns out. I was just blind. But I did use the highlighter, and I highlighted everything. Cheekbones, Cupid's bow, point of nose. Ooh, shiny, shiny. And my eyebrow bones. And then I went in with the green lipstick, which I am missing the box for here, but I just showed it to you. And the earrings, la-ti-da, ooh, 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 and the space powder. I decided to use the big brush because I wanted lots of glowy sparklies, and maybe the little brush would have been better after all. It might pick up more powder with its stiffer bristles, because I'm not really seeing it being picked up on the camera very well. But I still felt fun and sparkly. Oh yes. And then I took my hair down and took some glamour shots. So pretty. Please subscribe, and we'll catch you all next time. Thanks. Bye.